Are you feeling as though you're in a health rut? Are you feeling confused about what to eat? Confused about when to eat? Maybe you're unsure about which supplements are most beneficial or simply a waste of time and money. Maybe you're often frustrated and finally worn down by the negative thoughts about your body, and you feel challenged by a lifetime of eating habits that take you further away from your wellness goals. You probably eat well, but still struggle with bloating and digestive issues. And if you relate to even one of these scenarios, know that any one of my coaching programs offers solutions and strategies to help you transform the most common and compelling eating challenges of our time. What are those? Weight, body image, digestive disorders, overeating, binge eating, chronic dieting, eating that's driven by an emotionally charged situation. And maybe there's more for you. But why choose an eating psychology coach when there are all kinds of coaches and practitioners available to help these days? Well, reasons are you have stubborn eating challenges that you've tried to change with no success. Eating psychology coaches are the only health coaches in the world with specific training and tools and skills in the psychology of eating. You see, we understand how to get to the bottom of unresolved eating challenges once and for all. And we help you view those difficult eating habits as a symptom of bigger struggles and as a doorway into deeper relationships with yourself. You'll recognize that what you eat is only half the story when it comes to good nutrition and improving your health. Why you eat provides a window into your soul and your deepest desires. Another reason to find an eating psychology coach is that you have a gut feeling that there's something deeper to your relationship with food. Eating psychology coaches honor your gut feeling, your intuition, and we want you to do the same. We teach you to do the same. Did you know that there's actually a brain in your gut? It's called the enteric nervous system. And if you've ever had a sense that something is not right or there's something more to the story, that's your enteric nervous system talking. So make sure to listen. With me or any one of your eating psychology coaches as a guide, you'll be helped to listen to and respect that body wisdom, that second brain in the belly, by teaching you that it's a strength and sending useful information. If you're someone who has that gut feeling that there's something deeper to your relationship with food, chances are you're right. So this would be a good time to schedule a consultation. With me, together, we'll dive deeply into your thoughts, feelings, and stories about your life and understand what might be driving your behavior when it comes to food. I will teach you how to listen closely to your body to best nourish and feed yourself. Remembering that you're the expert of your experience and you can become the master of your healing. And maybe you're tired of the same old approach to disordered eating recovery and interested in a new dialogue around wellness. If you're looking for new tools or a new conversation regarding body and food, then working with an eating psychology coach is the way to go. We're on the cutting edge when it comes to a new conversation about what's at the root of your eating challenges. You see, I understand, both professionally and through my own experience with recovery, that the current approach is broken. We need to dig deep. We need to understand the context within which our behaviors evolved, explore the stories we've been telling ourselves, and most importantly, discover what our bodies are doing with the food we choose to eat. Bottom line, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, nor do an all foods fit work for everyone. Making peace with food and ourselves, showing compassion toward ourselves, requires a new approach. My training in both functional nutrition and eating psychology coaching offers just that. Perhaps you understand that a lifetime of struggle cannot change in an instant, or will it change overnight? but instead you're interested in deepening your relationship with yourself, which is reflected in your relationship to everything else. Our time together promises to give you a greater understanding of how you relate to food, while allowing you to learn to treat yourself with unconditional love and respect. This is a wonderful recipe for overall improvement to your health and a chance to feel lighter in relation to the world around you. So schedule a discovery call today and learn how functional nutrition and eating psychology coaching is like nothing you've experienced before. You can work with me individually or enroll in my amazing program of self-study. Each will guide you through my signature framework, so you can finally stop fearing what food will do to you and start embracing what it can do for you. I'm Mindy Gorman-Plutzer, and that's the Freedom Promise. You can be the change you want to see.